Hello gang, welcome to part 2. Here we're going to be writing equations of lines given the slope and the y-intercept. So for part A it says the line is passing through -4, -1 and has a slope of -5, 4. -5/4. Write an equation in slope-intercept form for the line. So here's where we're going to start. We're going to start by identifying slope-intercept form as y equals mx plus b. I have my x, y, and my m. So I'm going to plug these in. So I have -1 equals my slope, -5/4, times -4. Plus b. So the first thing we need to do is plug in values. And solve for b. So when I multiply here, now let's go back to the solving. When I multiply, my 4's cancel out, leaving me with a -1. So this equals -1 equals -5 times 1, times -1, excuse me, plus b. Well, this is -1. -1 times -5 is 5 plus b. Now to solve for b, I need to subtract 5 from each side. So b will equal -6. So now I can write my equation, y equals -5/4 x minus 6. Let's try again on another one. For part B, a line passes through the point -9, 2 and has a slope of -2/3. So here again I have x, I have y, and I have m. So I'm going to plug these in. So I have y equals mx plus b. If I plug my stuff in, solve for b, this gives me -9 equals -2/3 times 2 plus b. When I multiply these, my 2's are going to cancel out. So I'm left with -9 equals -1/3 plus b. I'm going to add 1/3 to the other side. So b is going to equal -8 2/3, 9/3, or 9 minus the thirds, 8 2/3, and the larger one is negative. So now I can write my equation. Y equals -2/3 x minus 8 2/3. And these are my answers. So remember, gang, just use what they give you, solve for b, and rewrite your equation. Good luck.